How to find someone on Roblox without their username. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Enter a login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is, first of all, move into the specific game that you played with that person. Once you're in this page, once again click on the play icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the game has started, what you want to do is check for the people that is connected to the game and look for the username of the person that you want to add. If you find it there, you can simply add them, or else go back and head over to friends. In this page, check whether you have added that person before. If you have already added, then this person will be visible in this list, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.